Expecto Patronum, Avida Kedavra. Hey fellas, this is Laveen Sharma. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Due to some inevitable reasons, I was not able to post a video in a while, but I am back now. I hope you are enjoying your stay at home as the country is under lockdown and using your precious time to do something new, to boost your personality and to acquire some new skills. As I have always told you that reading is one of those habits which can change yourself, which can boost your personality in a way you have never thought of. And today I am back with Harry Potter series. Harry Potter series by J.K. Rowling is incredible series, and you must have watched the films on it. But I think you should read books for more information. Person who has read Harry Potter series is in love with these novels. So these novels have impacted a lot. Youths, children. This is not only for children. This is for every age group. I have seen old age people reading these books and becoming a fan of Harry Potter series. The people who don't know what Harry Potter series are, so I would like to share the plot. Harry Potter is a young boy and the person comes from a magical family. His parents were magicians, and as he attains the age of 11, he is invited to audit magic at Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry. So he learns magic there. There are so many adventures in his life as he learns magic and comes face to face to his arch enemy, Lord Voldemort also. These books are in extremely easy language, so if you want to begin reading and make this habit a basic habit for you, so this can prove to be a great start for you. And, I would like to say that magic is everywhere, and if you read these books, then I think the magic will really enchant you, really turn you in a magical way. So start reading Harry Potter series, and this can prove to be a great start. I'm stating it outright. I hope you guys love the video. If you love the video, don't forget to give a big thumbs up to it and make this lockdown period memorable for you. And whenever you will go out there, people should say that he or she became skillful now, and now